Fine, she get like 6 tattoos. If she was a city, she be Timbuktu.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are doing good, and I really hope this new year is like doing everything it needs to be doing with y'all. So the video we're doing today is going to be a makeup therapy video. I'm just gonna be chit-chatting with you guys. I have some good background music going on, and just like watch me do my makeup. First disclaimer is, don't mind my lace. I need to it's about that time. It's the day where I'm doing my makeup, and as soon as I'm done doing this makeup, I'm taking a cute photo, and this lace is gone because it needs to go. But this is the first YouTube makeup look that I've filmed in 2021. It's crazy to even think about the fact that it took me a whole 2 months, well, a month and a half, to even sit down in front of a camera and record a makeup tutorial. I've recorded other videos, a lot of skincare videos. If you haven't seen them on my Instagram, go ahead and follow me there. I'm really into the whole skincare situation right now, and I love it. I'm taking more care of my skin, and yeah, I will be posting a lot of skincare stuff on my Instagram, so if you guys want to see that, then go ahead and follow me there. Other than that, it was kind of like a makeup therapy for me too when I filmed this video, just because I was just vibing out, listening to some good music, not really thinking much about what I have to say on camera, what I can't say, what I need to show and what I can't show, like stuff like that. I was just sitting in front of a camera, doing my makeup and enjoying it. And believe it or not, it was so needed. I didn't go absolutely anywhere this day, like whatsoever, but it was nice to just do my makeup, look cute for a couple of seconds, and then take it off. But I don't want to make any promises, but I am promising myself that I will try and be a little bit more consistent now in this new year. I was purposely waiting for February to film a video, just because I want to be more consistent from now on out. I didn't have much going on in January. I was focusing a lot on my mental health and just kind of figuring myself out a little bit. There's a lot of changes that I want to do, incorporating new habits, and I just couldn't do YouTube consistently while working on myself, not the way I was doing it. So that's kind of why I was like, you know what, I think I posted 2 hair tutorials in January, and hair tutorials are simple, they're easy, you know, so it was just like, it was quick. I just had to put a wig on and call it a day. Like I didn't have to do much to it. But to do my makeup, I feel like I kind of have to be in the mood for it, for my makeup to actually come out cute. But yeah, I do have some more videos coming up. I have some Valentine's girls night situation, like it's gonna be like a little vlog. I think that will be up after Valentine's. And then I also have a few travel vlogs that I want to upload, and I will definitely start vlogging more. I might start doing weekly vlogs. I'm not sure yet. As I said, I'm kind of trying to figure out my new schedule, and I want to incorporate new content, more lifestyle content, more fashion, and just overall I kind of want to change up my channel a little bit. I'm always going to be a beauty channel. I'm always going to be, you know, a makeup guru, whatever you want to call it. Makeup is my passion for sure, but I do feel like sometimes it gets too repetitive, because even though I could do different looks, I'm at this point in my life where I like pretty much the same neutral look. Like that's really what I go for. I don't really do colorful looks anymore. You guys can probably tell from like the last videos that I've been posting. All the looks are pretty neutral, pretty wearable, I would say. I'm kind of over that little phase where I would do colorful looks, bold looks, and I just wanted to stand out. That's kind of what opened the doors for me when it comes to like the makeup industry. But at the same time, I always knew that my focus, or like my actual makeup, signature makeup, will be the soft glam, soft looks, and really focusing on the skin and stuff like that. And especially as you grow and as you evolve, what you want to do, like things change. You change the way you want to look, you change the way you do your makeup. It's like whenever I do a colorful makeup look now, I don't feel like I even look the same. It's just, don't get me wrong, a girl knows how to do her colorful makeup looks and bold makeup looks on me and clients, but personally I just prefer to go for more the natural, dewy look. That's kind of what's been going on and kind of what's going to happen moving forward. After, well, December and January were 2 months where I really focused on what I was missing or what I was letting go of when it comes to me and my work. I did feel like during the last few months of 2020 and also in January, I feel like I just lost my self-discipline, the self-discipline that I always had, like waking up early in the morning, going to the gym, and actually recording videos and filming videos like constantly. Like I lost that discipline. I had a routine that I was really satisfied with and it was working, but little by little I got distracted by different things and I just lost that discipline. I was like, yo, I'm not even consistent on YouTube anymore. Whenever I do videos, I don't really do it with passion, and I feel like that shows, and I really like that. So I just had to focus on myself a lot during the month of January and just figure out like, okay, you're losing your self-discipline, but how could you do, like, what can you do to get back to where you was, or like better yourself so it benefits you in your personal life and also in your business. So it was a lot of self-work, a lot of shadow work that I was doing during December and January. I was very much so off of social media as well. Like I was posting here and there on Instagram, but not really any consistent, no consistent posting, because I just wasn't in the mood and I didn't want to take photos just to take photos and just to post. Like that was not what I was going for, because I just felt like that was kind of too fake or whatever. But yeah, so I do advise anyone that might be going through something to just meditate and try to get back into the groove of things. If you fell off, it doesn't matter. It's fine. We have our days, we have our moments where it's like you just can't cope, and that's fine. It happens to absolutely everybody. Matter of fact, a lot of people around me actually told me that they were going through some type of weird energy shift, I don't really know, in their lives. But they were like, yo, I feel so drained for no reason, and I just get so annoyed for no reason, like stuff like that. And I was like, wow, I really do recognize myself when it comes to that. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been up to, what's been going on. There's a train passing. But I did, however, let myself have a little vacation. So I'm currently on vacation. Yes, I'm still working because the grind never stops, but I treated myself to a little vacation, just like a mini getaway, and I'm so happy I did that. I needed to get away from my area, from my place, just to refocus and recenter like everything that has to do with me, what I want, my goals and everything. And you guys have no idea how much that has helped me. Like I'm just, wow, I'm going back home with so many, like, not necessarily new ideas, but just like my goals. I kind of just, this trip just reminded me of like my goals and what I need to do, and that I need to keep going and keep grinding to get to where I want to be in life, because I didn't get this far just to get this far. Like there's so much more that I want, and I'm not satisfied. I'm really happy, I'm blessed, and I'm thankful to be where I am and to have everything that I have. But I'm definitely going for more, and I can't wait to see what 2021 has in store for me in the next upcoming years. So yeah, I hope you guys will like continue to show me love and I hope you guys like the new content that I'll be bringing to my channel. And if you made it this far, thank you guys so much for watching this video. This is the final look. I will have absolutely all the links to everything in the description box down below. Well, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And also, if you're excited for these new content videos, these new videos that I'm putting up, don't forget to turn on your bell notifications so you don't miss them. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.